So I have a brand new product here that I have never used before. I just brought this in and we're gonna give it a go. So this is Mix2Mold Ceramic Resin, and it's a powder that you add water to, and it will make a nice like ceramic finish molds, or castings rather. So I'm going to use the terracotta. I have it in these two colors right now, and the terracotta, and I'm going to cast this big pumpkin from the Hello Pumpkin mold. So this is a retired mold from IOD. I still have them in stock if you're looking for this one. The instructions on the back of the package are, like, it says the mold size, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, which is, frankly, that could be anything. Like, that's very vague as far as sizing goes, because that could mean different things to different people. So I am going by, because these IOD molds, the newer ones, have the measurements listed right on them. So for this big pumpkin, it's 83 milliliters if you're using a resin, or 125 grams if you're using a clay. So you can weigh it out first. So I'm just gonna guesstimate by that. So, and on this package, it doesn't say anywhere that it's a 3-to-1 ratio. I mean, I guess you could figure that out by doing the, like this one is teaspoon to tablespoon, but you've got, here's 1 tablespoon of water to 3 tablespoons of Mix2Mold. And that's the ratio. So I'm just gonna go by that. So let's give this a try. They've got the scoop in a bag inside. This is going to be messy, I can see already. Oh, so there's a little directions and tips in here. Oh, here it says, standard ratio of 3 parts powder to 1 part water, achieving the consistency of cake batter. So that's good to know that that's in there, because it does not say that on the package. So here's our scoop. How many milliliters are in a tablespoon? Do you remember? I don't. Oh well. So I'm thinking I'm gonna mix. I might be over mixing, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I'm gonna do 4 scoops. If I have extra, well, there's more than just 1 mold on here. So that'll give us an idea anyways. Well, that's just going to make it confusing. Let's do 3 scoops. We'll make it simple for this first one. I'm not going to rely on my math skills today. And so 3 scoops of powder. Well, that's no. See, I'm already confused. Is it 3 scoops of powder to 1 scoop water? Yes. Okay, so then just 1 scoop of water. And a little stirring stick. This is way too thick. Supposed to be consistent consistency of cake batter, and that was like thick mortar consistency. I need a stronger stir stick here. And you have about 7 minutes work time, so you don't have to be as rushed as you are with the quick set resin, which sets in 10 minutes, so you don't have a very long work time. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now let's pour it in here. It's looking like that was a pretty good guess. I'm just gently kind of pushing the edge to get it to go right up against that micro rim. That was a perfect guess as to how much I was going to need. Okay. Now we will let this dry. It's a 1 hour set time or cure time. Working time is approximately 7 minutes. Mix until smooth. Pour into mold. Tap mold edges to remove bubbles. I think that's gonna work. Oh, I am seeing some bubbles. I should have put the mold on. I see the bubbles popping. Bubbles on the surface of a mold, meaning like the face of it, are a pet peeve for me. So I'm going to take the extra time to try to get rid of all of those bubbles. And I still see them popping up. If you look at it from the side, you can still see those little bubbles coming to the surface. That surface tension causes those bubbles, and it's annoying. Because this is a water, you're mixing it with water, you could probably mist the mold lightly with water, and it would probably help alleviate those bubbles right on the face then. But I'll have to do some more experimenting to find out. Okay, well, I'm not seeing any more bubbles come up, so we should be good. Allow to harden for 60 minutes before removing. Maximum hardness after 48 hours. All right. I'm just going to wipe this out because I don't want to put that down the drain. There we go. Okay, so we're going to let this set and I'll be back and you can see the big reveal. Well, we can together. Okay, we're back and I think this is dry. Wow. Okay, so there's still a few bubbles here, but it feels really, really cool. It feels like ceramic. There are still bubbles in it though, so I'm gonna have to work on that. But that turned out really, really good. Cool. Thanks so much for watching. That's it for today, so go make something amazing and I'll see you next time.